I use this for extractions mainly. This is the ultrasonic shovel. It's just a new way of doing extractions. Now, this one has 3 modalities for cleansing, moisturizing, and lifting. The cleansing, the vibrational sound is faster, and so it goes in there and just kind of loosens up the debris. And so when you're scraping the face, it lifts away the dirt from the skin. The moisturizing, the vibrational sound is a little slower, and it helps with laying the product deeper into the skin. And then the lifting, it's even slower. And when you use it properly, going up and out, it's kind of a workout for your face. The extractions are the 3rd step after the cleanser, after the enzyme mask or a clay mask. The pores are nice and open. You use this to clean out the debris. And then your face is nice and clean and is ready to lay the products that you want in the skin. I would recommend this on anyone. Again, it's pretty gentle when it cleans, when it does the extraction. So anyone could use this. It's mainly used for whiteheads, blackheads, or that oil congestion. I discovered this brand a couple years ago. I think they were very new at that time. And when someone used it on me at school, I fell in love with it, and here I have my own.